Hey everyone, I'm back with a video today, and to be honest, originally this video was not meant to be a voiceover, but I decided to go ahead and do a little talk through because it's been a while since I posted. I checked my YouTube today and I'm like, it's been like 2 months since I posted a video, and it didn't even feel like that long, but I did take a break from YouTube as well as doing nails in general. So I took a break on clients, not 2 months, but I took like 3 weeks off from doing clients, and I pretty much haven't had my nails done in like 2 months. So yeah, it was a well-needed break. And sometimes, like, I don't think I've ever taken a break that long before, but sometimes I kind of overwork myself, so I have to just chill and, you know, try to get my life back on track. But I'm back and I have a lot of content to post. I actually have so many videos that I've been waiting to, that I have recorded. I just didn't get around to editing them before I went on my break. So I have a few videos to post, and then I have also a lot more videos to post or to record. And I plan on recording those probably this upcoming week so I can get those out to you guys. But if you are still here, thank you for being patient with me. And yeah, I probably won't take another break that long, but it was well needed. But yeah, in this video I'm doing a ombre tutorial. You guys have seen my ombre tutorials before if you are subscribed to my channel, but I just wanted to go ahead and post this one on here. I'm doing both of the nails. I normally only just do one nail or one hand. So again, in this video I'm doing both hands, so you guys can really see how I'm doing my ombre. And I'm just using this white that I got from Valentino Beauty Pure. This is probably one of the best whites because it's very pigmented. I use some whites and they're really not white. And lately for my ombre, I like to use a white that really does look very, I think opaque is the word I'm looking for, but that could be wrong. But and then to blend in with the white, I'm using this color by Sugar and Cream called Sand, and I'm just putting it right over top of that white line and just blending it down forward to the paper towel, toward the paper towel. And I'm going to be doing this on all the nails, and then I'm going to also be using a glitter by the same brand on that ring finger, and I'm going to show you guys how I encapsulate that. Just a reminder, I do put that in here, but a reminder that you always want to make sure you are encapsulating your glitters and also adding a clear acrylic protective coat on your ombre, so that way you don't file it off and mess everything up. And yeah, I'm so happy to be back. I'm excited to post. I know you guys are probably like, what? Or maybe not, but yeah, I am excited to be back. So if you are missing my content, then stay tuned because I have so much to post. And again, thank you for being patient with me. I'm not sure if I'll come back in on this video, so enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.